Hello, my name is Lolu. Today, I'll be teaching you about 10 different farm animals. Ensure you watch till the end, and please subscribe to my channel for educating videos. Now let's get started.
This is a cow.
A cow is a mammal and a herbivore. A cow gives us milk and meat. A cow says moo.
This is a pig.
A pig is a mammal and an omnivore. A pig is raised for meat. A pig says oink.
This is a sheep.
A sheep is a mammal and a herbivore. Sheep provides us with wool and meat. A sheep says ba.
This is a chicken.
Chicken is a bird and an omnivore. Chicken gives us eggs and meat. A chicken says cluck cluck.
This is a horse.
A horse is a mammal and a herbivore. A horse is often used for riding and transportation. A horse says neigh.
This is a goat.
A goat is a mammal and a herbivore. Goat provides us with milk, meat, and hair. A goat says bleat.
This is a duck.
A duck is a bird and an omnivore. It is raised for eggs, meat, and feathers. A duck says quack.
This is a turkey.
Turkey is a bird and omnivore. It is raised for meat, eggs, and feathers. A turkey's sound is called gobble.
This is a donkey.
Donkey is a mammal and a herbivore. It is used for carrying loads and for transportation. A donkey's sound is called bray.
This is a rabbit.
Rabbit is a mammal and a herbivore. It is raised for meat and as pets. A rabbit mostly is a silent animal. They can make purring, snoring, or squeaking sounds. A rabbit screams when in pain. Did you learn something today? See you in the next video. Bye bye.